Hello, my YouTubers. Once again, it's your boy Slim Pig with another video about my 2003 Toyota Matrix XRS. Yeah, I call her the Trinity. Yeah, well, anyways, I'm gonna change a K and N air filter basically to my Trinity. So when I bought this vehicle, it came with a carb legal air filter system. And when I took my car to the shop and got, a lot of maintenance done to it, they were suggesting to change that air filter because that air filter is old. And rather than changing it by them, I decided to just, hold on for it for now because I had other things to repair. And I told them that hold on for it for now. And now's the time that I'll just decide that I will just change it myself. So this video is about basically about a new air filter, the KNN, and I'm gonna replace my old one with a brand new one. I got the parts from AutoZone. No, not AutoZone, O'Reilly. Yeah, I got it from O'Reilly and I'm so excited. So we're gonna do two things. First, we're gonna take out the intake system out, and we're gonna clean the body throttle. We're gonna spray it down and wipe it down with all the debris. We're gonna give that a clean, and once I get that done, and then I'm gonna install the K&N air filter. All right, let's look at this parts and let's get to the video. Yay! So here's the part number for the air filter. It's RU4960, basically it's right there. And this is the K&N air filter right here. And we're gonna open her up. I got this at O'Reilly. Okay, there it is. Okay, there's the air filter, and we're gonna get this installed. But before I do, we're gonna clean my throttle body. Basically, we're gonna clean it with this right here. It's parts cleaner and degreaser. I read the direction right here that this can clean also what is it called, the throttle body right there. See, throttle bodies. So I was gonna get the throttle body Toyota cleaner version, but I didn't want to spend money, and I already bought this already. So I'm just gonna use this one, spray a little and wipe it down with a towel. I'm not gonna do anything crazy like take it apart, and I'm not gonna do anything like that. I'm just gonna basically take out the hose and then clean it like that. Yeah, and then once I get it done, we're gonna install this intake right here, this air filter, and see how it works and how she runs. Here's my engine bay, folks, and this is the intake system that I was talking about, the aftermarket one. When I bought it, it came with this, and I guess it's legal carb for California residents. That's the stickers right there. So I'm gonna basically change this because this is hella old, and I'm just gonna put a brand new one. While doing that, I'm gonna clean the throttle body right here. I'm just gonna wipe it down. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just clean it. And then that's it basically. These are the tools I'm gonna use, and hopefully it works out. This is not like how to do things, because I'm not certified mechanic or anything. I'm just like learning as I go, man. All right, I'm gonna take this out, this whole thing, and so I could get access to the throttle body. I got the intake system out. Basically you take out, how can I do this? You take out this electrical part sensor, and then this there's a tube right here that you disconnect, and you take it out. Over here there's two screws right here, there's one right there, and also there's another screw over there to loosen it out, and then you just basically pull it out. So I'm gonna change the air filter with this one, but before I do all that, I'm gonna try to clean this this throttle body. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a spray and wipe it down, and hopefully everything works out. It looks really dirty, but I'm gonna give it a nice wipe, and I'm gonna take out this rubber right here. Yeah, so I could have more clearance and I can reach more into, you know, to the butterfly. They call that the butterfly. And I'm gonna try to clean it. I was able to take out that tube right here for the intake system. And now I have full access to this throttle body. And I'm gonna give this a spray and get it cleaned up, basically. Hopefully you know, it all works out, and I'm gonna give this a nice clean. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna spray, basically spray some of this and just get it cleaned up. Get this. There we go, just spray it like that, and then start wiping it down. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. I'm just gonna clean this. Basically, you're supposed to just clean the outer surface, they say, on YouTube videos. There you go. So I'm gonna clean this, and then I'm gonna also open the butterfly and clean the inside. Let's see how much dirt I get from this. Just doing this, you know. Ooh, look at that. Yep, hella dirty, right? All right, I'm gonna give this a nice clean, and I'll check you all later. I don't know if you can see it, but I was able to clean the top and the bottom while I was opening the butterfly, and basically I'm already done. I just gotta, you know, put it all back. They say on the video on the YouTube, when you open the butterfly, when you push the butterfly, you know, that covers the body throttle. You gotta be careful with it. You can't like push it, like forcefully push it. You just gotta like gently push it, you know, and clean the inside. Right now I'm cleaning the outside, and this was the dirt that I was able to get out from that throttle body. You can tell it's like hella dirty, but now I'm gonna just clean up, and that's about it. Yep. It should be good to go. Just gonna get the edges of this throttle, so I'm gonna push it down again and just clean the edges basically. Just try to, you know, give it a nice last one wipe before I, you know, close everything. All right, so I got the bottom. Now I'm gonna get the top. So once you push, you want to be gentle basically. Yeah. Get the top right here. There you go. This is my second wipe right here. All right. All right. There she is. It should be all clean. I don't know if you can see that, but there you go. She's all nice and clean now. I got a lot of dirt, debris out, and my towel is really black and dirty, so you can tell it's really dirty inside. And they say you have to do this like 25 or 50,000 miles. So yeah, it's a very easy thing to do. I'm pretty sure everyone can do it, but I was able to get it, and this is my first time doing it. Very happy with it. And now I'm just gonna put this tube right here to connect my intake system and put the brand new air filter. So here's the intake system right here. This is the old air filter. I'm gonna, you know, unbox this and put the new one in. Notice that my towel is so black because that's, you know, the debris that I wiped down from the throttle body. So basically I'm gonna take this out and put the brand new one in. Yep, it should be and then after that I'm gonna install it, and hopefully, you know, it all works out and my throttle body's clean, and also my air filter is clean. That way my Trinity is breathing right, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna put this on. See, look at the difference on this one. This one is like brand new red, you know what I'm saying? And this one is like really black. Yeah, there we go. So check that out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna give this a change and see you in a little bit. All right, so here's the old one basically, and there's the new one. And when I took out the old one, look what I found. There's like a little hole. And damn, man, I should just buy like a whole new system right now, you know. But damn, it's all bad. I guess I just gotta work with it, you know, and cover it with a air filter. You know, the previous owner messed this up right here. But I'm just gonna work with it, and you know, I'm just gonna do what they did basically, is cover it with an air filter, you know, and hopefully there's no, you know, vacuum air leakage or anything like that. But man, this is horrible. Anyways, maybe in the future I'll get a new one. I got the air filter on to the intake system. It was hard as hell, but I pushed it in and it was able to work out. I was able to cover that hole. I don't know why the hell there was a hole there, but that was from the previous owner. But hopefully I don't have like a air leakage anywhere from this pipe, and hopefully I don't get an engine light after I put everything back together. But here it is, and I'm gonna tighten that screw right there, and then I'm gonna put it on and see what happens. All right, so I'm about to start this up, and hopefully I don't get a check engine light, and hopefully it's a success, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. No check engine light. Yeah, for sure. So all I gotta do now is take it for a test drive, and should be all good. Yeah, look at that, boy. Got the air filter installed, and I cleaned my throttle body. Yep. I feel so good about this, so I'm gonna take it for a drive and see if it's, you know, it's clean. Let's give it a little of that. Yeah. Let's give it for a test drive and see what happens from there. I was able to get it all done and got it all connected. Got the brand new air filter hooked up, and I also cleaned the throttle body, and I'm very happy with that. This is all the debris that I took out from the throttle body. Basically, it was hella dirty, and yeah, it's worth doing this once in a, you know, 50,000 miles, 25 to 50,000 miles. Everyone should clean their body, their throttle body, you know, because it does get dirty. And you know, when it gets dirty, I just hear from YouTube that, you know, your idle's not right, and when you push the gas, you lose power, you know. So that's why the reason I cleaned it. You know, I just barely bought this car, but I'm pretty happy. There was like a hole in the bottom of this pipe right here. I don't know what the hell that was, but I was able to cover it with this and with the new air filter, and hopefully it runs smooth. But I'm gonna take it for a test ride and see how she runs, and there you go. This is me changing my air filter and cleaning my, you know, throttle body for my Trinity. Anyways, see y'all later for the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.